Today, you will learn how to change the page color in Microsoft Word in the easiest possible way. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once Word is open, look at the top menu bar where you see different tabs like Home, Insert, Layout, and Design. Click on the Design tab. This tab contains all the settings related to how your document looks. After clicking on the Design tab, look toward the right side where you will see a section called Page Background. In this section, you will find an option called Page Color. Click on Page Color and you will see many different colors appear in a small panel. These are ready-made colors that you can apply to your page. Now, move your mouse over the colors without clicking. You will notice that Word shows you a live preview of how your page will look in that color. This helps you decide which color looks best before applying it. When you find a color you like, simply click on it and your page background will instantly change to that color. If you do not like the basic color shown there, you can click on More Colors. This option gives you access to a full color palette where you can choose from many more shades. You can even enter a specific color code, such as a hex code, if you want an exact custom color for your document. This is very helpful if you are creating documents for branding, school projects, posters, or presentations where color matters. Now, there is an important thing most beginners do not know. By default, Microsoft Word does not print the page background color. This means if you print the document, the page will come out white even though it looks colored on your screen. But you can change this setting very easily. To do that, go to the top left corner and click on File. From the menu that appears, scroll down and click on Options. This will open the Word Options window. In this window, look at the left side and click on Display. On the right side, scroll down until you find a section called Printing Options. Here, you will see an option named Print Background Colors and Images. Turn this option on by clicking the checkbox and then click OK at the bottom. From now on, whenever you print your document, Word will print the background color exactly as you see it on the screen. You should also know that you can remove the page color anytime. Just go back to the Design tab, click on Page Color, and select No Color. Your page will return to the normal white background. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.